Hi guys, I just received this box. This will be my first time with SampleSource.com. Try before you buy. Let's see what I received. This here. First is a free box of clay roll. This is awesome. Root Touch Up Hair Color. This Bona Hardwood Floor Deep Cleaner. Breathe Right. I love this. Sometimes I always have problem with sinusite and always my nose is always plugged. Of course, I use that. I have here a cereal protein bar from Quest. Oh, it's a waffle flavor. And these are, oh my God. These are condoms. I didn't ask for that, but they put in my box. Oh, but thank you very much, SampleSource.com. Look at that. Wow. First time. Love it. Bye-bye.